Talk, Listen, Cuddle is our Essex campaign. It's to help Essex parents support their children's early language development and lots of ideas for playful learning at home.
We wanted to promote the campaign itself, and we wanted to make sure that anyone using the website or looking at the campaign really understood what Talk, Listen and Cuddle represents, and then more importantly that families had somewhere to go to support their young children.
The goal of the stakeholder engagement was to really get underneath why practitioners and parents and colleagues and partners are using the website and what it is that they're looking for and what they can't find and what we need to do to improve it.
Our stakeholder audiences were very distinct. First of all, we had to reach parents, families and carers of young children aged 0 to 5 years old. Then key stakeholders, so partners and working partners, and early years practitioners and educators. Because the research audience was so diverse, we had to use a mixed method approach to make sure that we targeted them and we could speak to them in a way that would be really easy for them. Our mixed method included surveys, providing a QR code to families and parents, whereby they could access that code during family events and educational events throughout the summer. An online survey to early years practitioners and key stakeholders, specifically for those who could not afford the time to take part in focus groups due to their educational role. And finally, focus groups, so groups involving key stakeholders, working partners and early years practitioners. The mixed method was not only to be inclusive, but also to spread that data collection over time and make it really accessible according to need, timescale, availability, and also importantly for parents' ability to log on to digital platforms.
As a result, we've been able to develop a comprehensive set of recommendations related to future research, content enhancements, and communication strategy, and opportunities for growth to meet the needs of Essex communities.
The research that MacMan have done with our stakeholders has made a huge difference. We need a better way for parents to search. We need a different format. We need it to look more professional and more understandable for parents, so when they land on the first page they know what it is that we provide.
As a team, we probably was going along one pathway, and then the research has enabled us to think a little bit differently and make sure that we're meeting the needs of those providers.